Welcome to the Cooper Lighting Solutions Agent Continuing Education Program for Modular Wiring Systems for the Product Configurator. In this session, we will review how Modular Wiring Systems, or MWS, is accessed via the Product Configurator. MWS is available for all our industrial line of Cooper Lighting Solutions products and is easily accessible via the Product Configurator on the Cooper Lighting Solutions website. To access the Product Configurator, go to www.cooperlighting.com. From the Brands menu at the top of the page, select any of our industrial line of products. For this example, we will choose the Metalux OHB. Select Metalux from the drop-down menu, Industrial from the product type, and then OHB LED High Bay from the Product Results page. Scroll to the center of the page to Resources, then click the OHB LED High Bay Product Configurator link under Configurable Spec Sheet. This will open a new window with the Product Configurator. On the Product Configurator page, you will be able to make the selections to configure your light fixture. This page will include all the standard options that are available for that particular fixture. The option to select MWS will appear at the very bottom of the Product Configurator screen under Select MWS. Clicking this option will display all the MWS options available. As you make your selections, each category will close and your specific catalog logic will begin to build at the top of the screen. If you need to make a change to a selection, simply click on the category and pick a different selection. Some options may not be compatible and will be indicated by those options being grayed out. If you do select an option that is not compatible with another, you will see a red X on the categories that have a conflict. You will need to open those categories and make a compatible change to be able to complete your configuration. Once you have completed the configuration, the catalog number generated at the top of the screen will reflect the MWS edition with an MW in the last section of the catalog number. Your fixture has now been configured with an MWS edition. Thank you for attending this Agent Continuing Education session. For questions or comments, please email cx@cooperlighting.com.